spotlight, I am hidden.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing some more portraits in my home studio using flash 2 different ways with a gorgeous model, Maria. But before we start, let's talk a little bit about inspiration for this shoot. The first picture on this board is really what inspired this whole photo shoot. It's from Dolce & Gabbana Spring and Summer 2019 collection. I love the super feminine, more is more kind of approach to this collection. So that's what I did in my photo shoot as well. I added a lot of big heavy jewelry and a floral headpiece. I did darker than what I usually do makeup. And for the outfit, I decided to go with this beautiful blouse and a corset. The floral headpiece, which is one of my favorite things in this look, I made myself. It is super easy to do. I'll show you guys really quickly how I made it. I cut a piece of wire that I measured off of my mannequin head, and then I curled the sides of it to create little loops. Next, I wrapped it around with some painter's tape to give it a little bit more volume and strength. Now all you have to do is attach some fake flowers to the band with more tape. I prefer using this method now over the hot gluing because if you want to reuse these flowers, you can easily take off the tape and then use them for other projects. All of the flowers that I'm using are thrifted as well, just like most of the clothes that I use. They are extremely cheap at thrift shops and a lot better made than those that you buy at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Finally, when you are done, you can attach a string to the loops that you made at the very beginning, and this is how I normally would tie it at the back of the head. Okay, so we're doing another session just inside the home. It's really gross outside, so some more indoor photo shoots. And I'm gonna be doing again the same kind of flash technique that I was doing before, but this time I'm not using on-camera flash, I'm gonna be using off-camera flash. So I just got these new GODOX AD100pro little flashes, and this flash is definitely strong enough to light up our scene today. So as you can see, I have it positioned this way. It's shooting right into the corner of this room and then reflecting the light back onto our model. And I have it set on 1/16 of power. That's good enough to light up everything that we have here. And then for my settings, I'm gonna be shooting at f2. I have 200 for my shutter speed and 100 ISO. As usual, I have my Kate backdrop in the background. One of my favorite colors, this green collapsible one. I also have this old fan that we might use to blow the hair, to make it all poofy and beautiful. It might get a little bit cold with this, so you just let me know if you're cold. Yeah, that looks awesome. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Shoulders back, but then like you're here out. So like give me like a long, nice neck, and then shoulders even more back. Like posing is a lot about exaggerated. Like if it feels weird, that's good. Like if it feels like you're really like making a weird exaggerated pose, that's perfect. Yes, beautiful. Yes, I love that. Okay, so do that and give me a little bit more. Yes. That's gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, I love that. Okay, I love the hands there. That's super beautiful. Now, so keep the hands there and maybe go on this side here, yeah. And try maybe the other side a little bit. Yeah, right there. Yes, even softer. Beautiful.
Worry way too much, got a policy. Didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me, if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down.
You might have noticed in the before and after that I changed the background of the image, and I will actually have a detailed Photoshop tutorial on how to do this next week, but for now let me share this tip with you guys. I found this image on the Met Museum website in the open source section. Open source means that you can use these artworks copyright free in your own photography or whatever other art you do, and the specific image that I used is called Peacock and Hollyhocks. I will leave the link to the specific image and the Met Museum website in the description of this video. For the rest of the pictures, I actually decided to switch to an EF 135mm f2 lens. I really enjoy this focal length for portraits, although I do have to stand pretty far away from the model, so it might be a little bit inconvenient for small spaces, but I made it work here and I really loved the results. You can even give me a little bit of a shoulder. That's another thing you can play around. It's just like your shoulders, like a little bit of this. Yes, 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 yes. That's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is so beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All of it looks amazing. Oh, beautiful. That's gorgeous. That is so beautiful. Do even more like this, yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Amazing.
Maybe you can find somebody new, somebody who knows just what to do. When you get all fired up and you hit where you know it will hurt the most. Somebody.
Yeah, stay like that. What if you move just your body towards me just a little bit? Yes, yes. Beauty. And I want more of your hair. Oh, it's because we also moved you a little bit back. I know.
That's so cute.
Your hair, especially on this side. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, gorgeous. Amazing. What if you do this, but then you tilt your head this way? Yes, yes, exactly. And chin down just a little bit. Yes. Yes, that's beautiful right there.
Nobody can see what you see, not even me.
Amazing. Love it. Okay, let's try slightly different lighting setup real quick. I want to give a shout out to Emily Teague for this lighting technique that I learned from her YouTube channel. I will leave her original video in the description down below. For my main light, I'm using GODOX AD100pro with the APUTURE light dome, which is essentially a big softbox. Now I'm positioning that light behind my model to backlight her. On the opposite side, I put a V-flat from V-flat World to reflect the light that is coming from the flash. The V-flat is very big, so it's gonna create super soft lighting that's reflecting back onto the model. It very much reminded me of the window light. The setup is super simple, super effective, and it looks amazing. There's one thing you should be careful about when using this strong kind of backlighting, and it is making sure that the model is not turned too much into that backlight. Like in this example here, she turned too much to the right, and now we're getting these unflattering highlights on her nose and the side of her face. So I just told my model to keep to the left, having her face turned more towards the V-flat, and that way we're gonna get really nice, flattering and even light on her face. It's a very different look than what we had previously, but Looks pretty nice. Yeah, just try to keep your head there. Yeah, sorry, I know this light is like very, you have to kind of keep it more this way. Yeah, and look at me. Yes, that's really gorgeous. What if you do like both of your hands kind of like this and on the side? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, keep that, keep that. Okay, stay like that. Just want more of your hair. There's the...
Yeah, even when it's curled, my hair still ends up looking like...
Oh, everyone's hair just falls kind of anyways, and I do this like for everyone. I'm very particular about hair. Like, I like big hair, and like the curls have to be like in a specific place. Yes, beautiful. And then look to the side as well. Yes, exactly, exactly. Amazing, amazing. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that next week I'm doing a Photoshop tutorial on how to replace the background from these pictures. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!